Want to know how you can enable or disable call forwarding option on your Android? Well, it's pretty easy and simple. Call forwarding is helpful if you have multiple SIM cards and want all calls sent to one number. In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to turn it off. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So without any further delay, let's get started. Method 1. Using a dial code. Open your phone dialer, type **67**, the number you want to forward call to, #. Now tap call. You'll see a confirmation that call forwarding was activated. Method 2. From phone settings. Open the phone app. Tap on settings. Then go to call forwarding settings. Wait a moment while it loads. Select always forward, then enter the phone number and tap turn on. Now I'm going to show you how you can disable it. Again, open phone app, then tap on settings. Go to call forwarding settings. Tap on always forward and then turn off. And that's it. That's how you can quickly enable or disable call forwarding on Android. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.